Hi everyone! Welcome back to Mom and Me Beauty. Yes, you have landed on the mother-daughter duo where we post 2 beauty videos a week. On Mondays is Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays is either Teen Take with Emma or Mom Moment with me. For the month of October, we're trying to make almost every single video Halloween themed. So today we wanted to show you 2 looks that we came up with that were inspired by some eyelashes that we purchased last year. Yes, I did say last year. Unfortunately, some family issues came up last Halloween, last October. We had to take care of those, and so we stashed away these eyelashes. But I came up with Minnie Mouse for my eyelashes.
And a fairy for mine.
So without further ado, let's get into the tutorials. So my Halloween look today is going to be based on these eyelashes that I got last year. Again, we had every intention of filming a video using these lashes that we got, but one thing led to another and we just didn't get around to it. So these lashes, I know it says on them Spooky Lashes Fairy Witch, but honestly they remind me so much of Minnie Mouse. That is the look I'm going for today. So to start my look, I'm going to be using my Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. Next, I'm going to be using foundation, the Maybelline Superstay Matte Foundation in the shade number 102 Fair Porcelain. Now this is actually lighter than my skin tone, but that's the look I'm going for because, let's be honest, Minnie Mouse is pretty pale looking. So I'm going to apply this on the face using my Clarisonic. Next up, for my under eye circles, to cover them up and neutralize them, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Beige. And just a couple little dots. That's all you need underneath the eyes. You put too much on and it will dry out your under eyes. I'm actually going to blend that in over top my lid too, just to neutralize the color. To set everything, I'm going to be using my Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. And this is in translucent. Next, for my brows, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and I am in Brunette. I'm fairly certain a lot of you are like, wait a second, I thought LA Girl Brow Pencil was your go-to brow product. Unfortunately, my brow pencil from LA Girl seemed to have grown legs and walked away the last couple of days. So I had to get myself a new one. I'm going to try this out and see how good it is. Well, I am able to add some pretty fine strokes, hair-like strokes, so I do like that about it. It's not as dark as my natural hair color though on my brows though, so that's one downside. Alright, the color difference is not good, so I think I will have to go get another brow pencil and see if I can fill that in, but I'll do that later. Alright, so Minnie Mouse really doesn't have any eyeshadow on to speak of. I am going to put a little bit of eyeliner on, but before I do that, I do want to set the powder on my face with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. Alright, so for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Liquid Eyeliner, and this is in black. I'm just going to do a very thin line at the very top. I'm not going to do a cat eye or anything like that. Just to give the top of my eyes a little bit more definition so my eyes look a little bit rounder. See already, this eye compared to this eye, this one looks way more open than that one, which is what Minnie Mouse has. She has big open wide eyes. Alright, then I'm going to curl my eyelashes and we're going to put on these puppies. If you've been watching us for any length of time, you already know that I cannot wear false eyelashes because it just irritates my eyes. However, on a night like Halloween night, I'm willing to make an exception and wear them for a couple hours. So this is about the only time of year you're going to see me put false eyelashes. Enjoy the show. I'm going to have to bring the mirror super close to me and I'm going to have to get down a little bit. So if the shot on this isn't great, I apologize. Okay, now for Minnie Mouse's signature peak up here on her forehead, and for her black nose, I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil number 601 Black Bean. Now, because my hair doesn't want to cooperate with me, I will be using my Minnie Mouse headband that I'm borrowing from Emma to hold my hair back. And I think I'm gonna bring that around to my temple a little bit. And push it back into my hair just so it blends a little bit more. You see that? To finish off my look, for my lips, I'm going to be using the Milani Amoré Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade number 6, Madly in Love. So this is my completed look. Now I know my Minnie Mouse ears are not the traditional black ears, but I thought you could still get the picture by seeing that my face looks very much like Minnie Mouse. Anyways, now on to Emma.
So the first shade I'm going to take is the shade Gretchen, and I'm going to use that as a crease color from the Too Faced Happy Birthday palette. Next, I'm going to take the shade Pixie Dust, and I'm going to put that onto my lid. Next, I'm going to take the shade Lost Boys, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line and doing kind of like a V into the crease, and then I'm going to really blend it out because it is kind of a darker shade. Next, I'm going to take the shade Ooh and Ah, and I'm going to use the silver side as my inner corner highlight. And now it's time for the lashes. These are from Ardell, the same place that we got my mom's. So let's put these on. And I am only going to use the top lashes. I'm going to do this off camera. I'll be right back. So next I'm going to do lipstick, and I'm going to take the Kat Von D, I think it's her Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and Bow and Arrow. And lastly, I'm going to take the Laura Geller Color Luster Lip Gloss in the shade City Lights. I'm going to apply that over top. So that is it for this look, and now let's get back together with my mom. And that is it for this video. We both hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe down below. And click the little bell next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. Comment down below what you're gonna do for Halloween and just what you thought of this video.
We hope that this video inspired you to take maybe some makeup products, beauty products that you already have in your stash, or maybe things, inexpensive things that you can find at the store, and then use whatever you have at home to create a fun Halloween look.
Also, be sure to connect with us on Instagram under Mommy Beauty, and with me under Emma_N_2004. Again, we both hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time in our next Mommy video.
Bye everyone!